So, boogie shapes. The boogie is loosely defined as a 3, 5, 6, 7 in the key of G. That would be 3, 5, 6, 7. The 4 chord, again 3, 5, 6, 7. So now I'm looking at the D, G, C, D. Here's a D shape. So the D shape would be turn around in the 5. Well, that works everywhere. You just have to be cognizant of where your 1s, 3s, and 5s are. Let's take an example. A C-shaped C. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Well, here's a C shape. The boogie is always the same 3, 5, 6, 7, you know, with all kinds of variations. So if you start with a C shape, here's a 4 chord, 5 chord, 4, so let's look at our C shape, our A shape C. Well, you can also, it's very convenient to do that same thing, but recognize that your 3 and your 5 are a minor third apart. Whenever you walk back to your flat 7, that puts you a half step above the 3 of your 4 chord. So there's our F. So again, with that C shape, now that same flat 7 is a half step below the 5, the 3 of the 5. So there's our G. But if you want to compactify it and just pick in the key of C, there's our 1 chord C, and then our 4 chord is F, and then our G. So you can get a lot of compacted note mining ideas just from seeing, okay, what chords do I have right in one spot? And it's super useful. And this one, for example, if you look at the way the 1, the 4, and the 5 are laid out in the key of C, I've got 1, 2, 3. So there's our 1. Here's our 4. And our 5. So you get everything laid out in 2 frets apart for the most part. You got to adjust for the B string, so one chord. So there's a lot of ideas there, and let me know if you got questions down in the comments. Ciao.